Hello, investors and crypto enthusiasts. I'm Laura from Trade for Impact Asset Management, and today we're diving into the security features of the Zignaly platform, where Trade for Impact Asset Management provides top-notch investment services. We'll cover how Zignaly keeps your funds safe and how we, as a service provider, contribute to the security and growth of your investments. Zignaly, a renowned trading platform, has partnered with Binance through the Binance Broker Partner Program link. When you deposit into your Zignaly exchange account, it is actually a Binance account, ensuring that your funds are secured by Binance's SAFU, the acronym of Secure Asset Fund for users, once deposited. Binance is known for its adherence to the ISO 27001 standard and maintains an insurance fund to protect users' assets. Zignaly's profit-sharing model offers a secure and transparent way to invest in crypto trading strategies. Let's look at the robust security features that Zignaly and profit-sharing offer. On Zignaly's end, security is paramount. API keys are RSA encrypted and stored securely, with no public access. Withdrawal permissions are strictly controlled, with only 2 authorized servers within Zignaly's infrastructure. Fund managers only have trading permissions, ensuring your funds are safe from unauthorized withdrawals. A trader can only manage 2 balance accounts, a trading account and a standby account. This creates another security layer, because in the event of an account compromised by hacking or theft of your device, you can contact the trader on the Discord channel and prevent funds from being released to a malicious actor. Your funds are pooled into a separate account along with a balance of other investors, ensuring identical results for everyone participating. The profit-sharing model. In profit-sharing, your funds are pooled with other investors, managed by experienced fund managers like Trade for Impact, who only have trading permissions. This ensures identical trading results for all participants and the safety of your funds. Your role in security with extra security tips. Security is a shared responsibility. Here's what you can do to protect your account. Strong passwords. Use unique passwords for your exchange and Zignaly accounts. API key safety. Never share your API keys and use separate keys for different services. Phishing awareness. Enable two-factor authentication 2FA, be cautious of suspicious emails, and always verify the sender's authenticity. Remember, Zignaly will never ask for your password or 2FA. Always contact support if you suspect any fraudulent activity. How Trade for Impact enhances security. As a service provider on Zignaly, Trade for Impact prioritizes the security of your investments. No withdrawal permissions. Our API keys are created without withdrawal permissions, ensuring your funds cannot be moved without your consent. Two-factor authentication 2FA. We encourage the use of 2FA to add an extra layer of security to your account. Continuous monitoring. Our team is vigilant about potential security threats and works closely with Zignaly to address any concerns. As a service provider on Zignaly, Trade for Impact Asset Management offers a fully automated crypto trading system with a proven track record since 2017. Our services include profit-sharing services with a success fee only on net profits, capital protection with a focus on spot trading and position sizing management, a subscription model with a plus 100% return on investment target when you keep all the gains for yourself after just one-time payment. Conclusion. Investing with Trade for Impact on the Zignaly platform means choosing a path of security, transparency, and shared success. We're here to help your crypto portfolio grow in a secure environment. If you're ready to take control of your crypto investments and prioritize security, visit tradeforimpact.com and explore our services on the Zignaly platform. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our services, please leave a comment below or reach out through our social media channels. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you achieve your investment goals with security and efficiency. Remember, your security is our priority at Trade for Impact. See you on the secure side of crypto investing.
Connect, benefit, earn. Trade with us. Trade for Impact.